Hello everyone, I'm Manoranjan H, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Year College, Bagepalli. Today we shall discuss on Strategic Human Resource Management prescribed by Bangalore North University for 5th semester BBA. The topic which we are going to discuss today is a case study, like employee retention strategies in Indian companies. What are the different employee retention strategies to be adopted by Indian companies, to retain the employees at their organization? In the previous session or a class or a video, we discussed on employees are considered as an intangible asset for an organization. Why an employees have been considered as an intangible asset for an organization, we discussed. Today we shall discuss on various employee retention strategies in different Indian companies. What are the different strategies that we'll discuss? So we'll go to the different so as you can see, there are various strategies where Indian companies, not only Indian companies, there are various basic strategies which are the important factors to be considered by all the companies, specifically Indian companies, to retain their employees at their organization, in their particular organization. Why employees are quitting their job and going for some other organization? There are many various reasons. So how to retain them for the particular task to accomplishment, or how to retain them for to their particular organization? These are the points. We'll start with the first one. As per the Forbes, as you can see, according to Forbes, 54% of Indian workers are seriously considering quitting their jobs, with 66% of them in the age group of 16 to 24 years. We see the age group, it is only 16 to 24 years. Young age, they are at the initial level. People are quitting the job and leaving the job and going for some other organization. This is the research survey which has been conducted by Forbes magazine. Most of the Indian companies hiring fresh talent is comfortable, but retaining experienced and seasonable employees is a daunting task. Definitely. So, what are the various reasons employees are leaving? We'll discuss in some other class. But in this particular video, we shall discuss various employment, employee retention strategies in specifically reference to Indian companies. We discuss. The first point says hiring the best fit for an organization. So it is an important task of an human resource, department of an organization to hire the best fit or skilled person at the initial stage itself, because once they hire the best fit employee to an organization, they will not leave the organization. So you provide such an benefit or these the facilities or compensation kind of thing, everything, so that the employee will stay for a longer time and he will not quit the job. So the first important parameter or a strategy to retain an employee in an organization is hiring the best employee, because best employees are always stay for a longer time. The second important thing says offering employees the right paycheck. No doubt, each and every employee who work for an organization look for different compensation or a benefit or a monetary benefits. If you offer proper monetary benefits or a paycheck to an employee with different ladders work they do, definitely they will stay for a longer time. So the second important thing to retain the employees for a longer time is offering them good or a right monetary benefit. The third important strategy to be adopted by Indian companies to retain the employees at workplace is providing a top notch working environment. No doubt, now we can see giant companies, multinational companies who are there in the across the world. So to retain an employee in an organization, you have to, it is a prime objective of an human resource department or organization to facilitate such an environment where he will feel work at home kind of thing, and he will stay for a longer time, like work to be accomplished in a proper manner. So he should feel that a healthy atmosphere is there, a positive work environment is there across him at the workplace, so that his productivity will be increased and he will stay for a longer time. So the third important strategy to be adopted by an Indian company is providing a top class working environment at workplace. The next important point is work life balance. No doubt employees are working 24 by 7 because they are like shift. There will be shifts like morning shifts. They have to work for US shifts, UK shifts and all. So morning shift will be there like 9 to 6 or 2 to 8, 9, 10 o'clock like that. Sometimes US shift will be whole night will be there. So you provide such a facility where his employees work and life balanced. It is going hand in hand. That kind of benefits or facility to be given for their employees at workforce. You can see many companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and many other companies provide high class environment facilities and work the employees life will be balanced in a proper manner. Next, you have training and development. No doubt, to retain an employee in an organization, specifically in Indian companies, should adopt proper training and development methodologies at workplace. Each and every employee who are an intangible asset, we discussed this already, intangible asset to an organization, their contribution is very much required for an organization. So you provide proper training and development facilities. His skills should be uplifted, his knowledge should be uplifted, so that his overall development, individual development will be there, which in turn results organizational development. So another important point to retain an employee in the organization is providing proper training and development facilities in an organization. The next one is transparent and open communication. No doubt, many organizations will be failure in communicating properly with the employees, because employees will not be knowing what's happening in the organization or a top level. So there should not be a gap between top level or superior and subordinates. Their decisions should be knowing by each and every employee through mails or some kind of communications every Friday, something like that. So if the newsletters or a mail or something, some publications, advertisements, everything, or some personal catch-ups, something like that. So each and every communication decision taken at the top level or managers level or lower level to be known to each and every employee of an organization. They should be knowing what's going on in the organization, so that they will feel that yes, of course, so everything I know, it is very transparent in our company, let's stay for a longer time. So definitely they will think and they will stay for a longer time. So the sixth important point is transparent and open communication. So this is a strategy to be given by each and every human resource organization, department in an organization. So these are the important strategies to be adopted by each and every Indian company to make their employees stay for a longer time. So this is an example of employee retention strategies in Infosys. Infosys, no doubt, a very giant Indian company, leading companies across the world, I can say. So it is an Indian company, Infosys. So you can see IT giant company, leading companies of employees work here. There are the key facts we can consider. 2019 there is 11.77% employee strength is there. In financial year 2018 and 19, Infosys added 24,000. See, every year they add employees. Why do people work for in Infosys? There are many strategies. Here are some of the strategies why people prefer Infosys. So you can see the first point, a quarterly promotion cycle for employees. There are 4 quarters week, employees, instead of yearly wise promotion, employees will be given quarterly promotions. So their designations will be changed quarterly wise. No doubt every employee will definitely feel that every quarter, if I perform well, every quarter I'll be promoted, my monitor benefits will be changed. Definitely this is an important strategy to be adopted by Infosys company. Second thing, increased timely payment and variable payout. Definitely this is also very important point or a strategy adopted by Infosys, because sometimes salaries will be, everybody knows that salaries will be given every 30th of the month, the last day of the month. But some companies will not follow this regularly. So definitely this is a very negative factor for the employees to think bad about the company. So you make the salaries or the payment timely, so that employees will feel that no doubt, they will be having so many commitments, so that they will feel that so everything is going smooth and it is on time, they are giving the salaries. And variable payout, it is based on the performance. Actually, if they perform well, they will be given performance bonus or variable payout, something like that. So this is also one of the important strategies adopted by Infosys to make their employees stay for a longer time. Next, creating career architecture programs. See, Infosys not only providing all these facilities, they are also looking for their employees' career to be developed in a proper manner. So they are creating such a platform where career architecture programs will be conducted. If any employee is interested to build their career, they can go and register themselves for the career development programs and build their career, so that it is an advantage for themselves and company as well, because they work, their strategies, their skill set and knowledge will be used in the company itself and grow in a ladder. So companies definitely will developed in future. Next, we have launched a career movement program named Pathfinder. This is an very good initiative taken by Infosys. Pathfinder is an application or a program where an employee, whosoever employee is interested to, work for some other departments or some other, projects or a team, he can always go for Pathfinder facility. Can always approach Pathfinder, where his skill set can be used for some other departments like that. So he can use Pathfinder to improve his career. Next, various employment engagement activities. As I told you, Infosys is not only providing all these facilities, there are various employee engagement facilities. Every Friday there will be fun Friday activities, and weekly programs will be there. Employees will be taken out. There will be refreshing sessions, bonus payouts, everything. They will feel that all the facilities and employees are taken care at most, and they will feel that it's very good company to work further like that. So Infosys leadership is also grooming and nurturing future leaders of the company, no doubt. Employees definitely feel that I'm working for Infosys, it's a pride thing for them. And if an employee thinks that it is a pride, he will stay for a longer time, which will increase the productivity of the company, and definitely which will increase the organizational development. In implementation of digital skill tags, where employees can acquire new skill sets and get a certification and skill tag for themselves. As I already told you, there are programs like career architectural programs, where employees can register themselves and acquire new skills, so that will be helpful for their career development and organizational, which in turn develops the organizational development. Early career reward programs to provide new employees clarity about their growth path within the company in the first few years. See, there is a facility or a program called Career Reward Program. So if any employees register themselves and acquires new skills and develop his skill set in the particular project, he will be awarded for that contribution is done for the particular project. So that is what Career Reward Program. And the last one, we have bridge program, enable employees to pick up alternative skills which result in higher compensation. No doubt there is a concept called bridge compensation or a bridge program, where if he is lagging behind in certain skills, he can gain the particular skills and grow up in the particular ladder, so that he can be promoted to different levels, or he can apply for some other, through Pathfinder he can apply for some other projects or departments where he can get preferred job or task which is going to perform in the organization. So these are the important points of Infosys to retain, or strategies to be adopted by Infosys to make the employees stay for a longer time. Likewise, we have TCS as well. TCS is also one of the giant company, as we can see. So these are the important parameters or strategies which are adopted by TCS to make the employees stay for a longer time. We can see developing new skills in employees. Same thing in with reference to Infosys. Like they're giving a chance to employees to acquire new skills. They're giving such a platform. Next, rotating people from project to project. See, it is not only like you are being hired for certain project and you will stay for a longer time. No, you will be given some other project to learn. You learn the skills, you get the skills and work for that. And so the frequent change in the work definitely feel an employee very happy, because new task will be there, new work environment will be there, like that. So providing vibrant and enriching workplace to employees, continuously grow, upgrading the technological skills of an employee. In maternity and paternity, of course, leaves is also very important parameter, because employees, whenever he wants a leave, he can go for a maternity leave or paternity leave or any kind of casual leaves. And many leaves facility, you have a leave program, leave facility, leave chart. Whenever you want, you can apply for a leave. There is no problem for a leave. So definitely it is a added point. Yearly retention bonus. See, you have a concept called retention bonus. So some companies will not give bonus. Some companies will. So if companies like TCS is giving bonus, retention bonus, because he stayed for a particular period of time. Some bonus will be given for that particular tenure. Next, you have health care and the insurance cover for employees and their families. See, very beautiful strategy to make the employees stay for a longer time, or a retention strategy. Provide a health care or insurance facilities to them and their family, so that employees feel that yes, I'm protected. My work is considered most important, and I'll stay for a longer time. Next, sporting and fitness activities. Of course, there is a program or activity called sports. If anybody is interested to, show up their skills, they can definitely be part of this particular event and get the benefit from it. And definitely, it will be motivated. Their employees will feel very happy, and they will be motivated themselves. And fit for life program to motivate employees to take care of their fitness. So these are the programs which is being conducted by TCS for their employees to motivate themselves to fit for, stay for a longer time. Next, purpose for life program. See, fit for life program, purpose for life program. Why are all these facilities have been done? To make the employees stay for a longer time. These are the strategies. Their mental health, because they are working, there will be so many challenges at workplace. To cope up the challenges, they have their mental state, their physical presence should be there. So to cope up that, these companies providing different strategies or benefits, and making them their employees are assets to the company. They making them feel comfortable and work for a longer time. So as you can see, these are the important. I have given two important examples of companies, Infosys and TCS. What are the different strategies they have adopted to stay for a make their employees stay for a longer time at their particular workplace. No doubt, each and every Indian company follow this, to make their employee stay for a longer time in their particular company, provide all these benefits or facilities or strategies, and they can cope up with the challenges, upcoming challenges in the unforeseen challenges in the future. So by this, I end my presentation of different perspective of employee retention strategies at different workplace by the Indian companies. Thank you so much.